Good morning. I heard that you're interested in learning Chapter 2 of the NCERT Class 10 Science book in detail. I'm here to help. What specific topics or concepts would you like to focus on?
Good morning, sir. Thank you for offering your assistance. I would like to delve into the chapter, acids, bases, and salts, in detail. I find it quite fascinating and want to understand it thoroughly.
Absolutely. Let's begin with the fundamental definitions. Acids are substances that release hydrogen ions, H+, when dissolved in water. They can donate protons to other substances in chemical reaction. On the other hand, bases are substances that release hydroxide ions, O, when dissolved in water. They can accept protons during chemical reactions.
Thank you, sir. That clarifies the basic distinction between acids and bases. Could you explain some common properties of acids and bases that will help me understand their behavior better?
Acids have certain characteristic properties. They taste sour, turn blue litmus paper red, and have a pH value below 7. Bases, on the other hand, taste bitter, turn red litmus paper blue, and have a pH value above 7. These properties can help you identify whether a substance is acidic or basic.
I see. So, pH is a measure of the acidity or basicity of a substance. But how do we measure it, and what's the pH scale all about?
Excellent question. The pH scale is a logarithmic scale used to measure the concentration of hydrogen ions, H+, in a solution. It ranges from 0 to 14, where 7 represents a neutral solution. A pH value below 7 indicates acidity, and a value above 7 indicates alkalinity, basicity. We measure pH using pH indicators or pH meters, which give us a numerical value that helps us determine whether a solution is acidic, neutral, or basic.
That makes sense. Could you explain some real-life examples of acids and bases that we encounter daily?
Of course, some common examples of acids include lemon juice, vinegar, and gastric juice in our stomach. Bases can be found in substances like soap, baking soda, and antacid tablets. In fact, many household cleaning products and even certain foods and drinks fall into these categories.
I find it fascinating how acids and bases are present in our everyday lives. Moving on, could you explain the concept of salts and how they are formed?
Salts are ionic compounds formed by the reaction between an acid and a base. During this reaction, the hydrogen ions, H+, from the acid combine with the hydroxide ions, O, from the base to form water, H2O. The remaining ions combine to form a salt. This process is called neutralization.
Thank you for explaining neutralization and the formation of salts. Are there any specific types of salts that we should be aware of?
Yes, there are different types of salts based on the cations and anions they contain. Some common types include normal salts, acid salts, and basic salts. Normal salts are formed when all the replaceable hydrogen ions in an acid are replaced by metal ions. Acid salts are formed when only a part of the replaceable hydrogen ions are replaced. Basic salts are formed when a part of the replaceable hydrogen ions in an acid are replaced by metal hydroxide ions.
I see. Sir, this gives me a better understanding of the different types of salts. Is there anything else important I should know about acids, bases, and salts?
Yes, it's important to understand that acids and bases can react with certain metals to produce hydrogen gas. Acids can also react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates to produce carbon dioxide gas. Additionally, the strength of acids and bases is determined by their ability to ionize or dissociate in water. Strong acids and bases ionize completely, while weak acids and bases only partially ionize.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate your detailed explanations. This conversation has helped me gain a much better understanding of Chapter 2. I feel more confident now.
You're most welcome. I'm glad I could assist you in your learning journey. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to ask. Good luck with your studies.